My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just...
For you to be able to understand the sharpening of the clipper blade, the work we have done, we package this blade. Look at the surface is. Look at the surface is. Then when I sharpen one surface, show you. Look at the surface. Take this there. When I go again and sharpen, show you again. You watch it properly. You watch it properly. You see the difference there. I will not say for you. You will be using your eyes to see the changes. You will be doing your observation. You will be studying the surface. You will be studying the surface is. It has to say very deep. When we start sharpening, you see it. You have to be working carefully. You see the surface of the upper clipper blade. You see the shiny black cover on the upper edge. Can you see it? You look at the surface of the upper clipper blade. When I go to the studio there, try to observe the inner surface the moment I'm showing you, so that you can be noticing the changes. I will not be saying anything else again. You will now be watching and be observing. When I'm showing you, you will be looking at the changes that you are seeing there. Let us go into the field now.
Don't try to stop me, I exist to write your story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. Just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent, I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence, it's a patience, yeah. In this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is boring. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me.